Alright, so basically we're going to remove the hub from the knuckle itself. You see I already did it over here, so I'm going to show you how I did it. That's how I did it. First thing you will need to do, right, if you don't have the proper tools to remove a hub, is take off these screws right here. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, another has another 4. You can get to them through these holes right here. Through this hole right here, they're in there. I don't know if you can see them. It's a little hard to see, but if you look right here, the screw's right there. Alright, so you rotate this so you can get to it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys the next steps. Alright, so axle bolt is a 32 millimeter. And then you continue the process. You hit one side, turn it, you hit the other side, turn it, you hit the other side, until it comes out. This one came out complete. The other one, the pieces came out. You can see the bearings in there, but it came out fairly easy with a screwdriver, so you don't gotta go crazy, right? So I'm gonna just clean this up, and that's how you take that off. So now all I have to do is clean this knuckle up. I'm gonna cover this up, I'm gonna sand the knuckle, and I'm gonna paint it. I'm going to protect all the screws because they're all good, and I'm not rusty like that. And yeah, that's it. And I will take you guys through the process of how to spray paint it and all that. So this one comes out. I'm going to leave it alone. It's not damaged or anything, so I want to show you guys how to remove the nuts from the hub. You just hold it nice and tight, and you just hit it nice and firm, alright? That's it. That's it. That's it. It doesn't bend it, it doesn't cause any damage to it, because I'm gonna put the extended nuts, so I needed those off. I'll do the same process here. And then you just bring it to a shop to put the new ones in. Like, let's say this one was, the thread was messed up, you wanted to change it. You would take them off like that. You would bring it to a shop and just have them press it in for like $5 each. So you could also have the shop take these off if you want, if you don't want to go through the trouble. Of doing it, all right?